From the towering peaks of the Pacific Northwest to the lush islands of Hawaii, the United States is home to some of the most active and fascinating volcanoes in the world. These natural wonders are as beautiful as they are dangerous, with the potential to reshape entire landscapes and impact thousands of lives in an instant. Our journey begins with Kilauea on Hawaii's Big Island, one of the most active volcanoes on Earth. Kilauea has been erupting almost continuously since 1983, with lava flows that have created new land, even as they threaten communities nearby. It's a classic example of a shield volcano, with broad, gentle slopes formed by layers of basaltic lava. Not far from Kilauea lies Mauna Loa, the largest active volcano in the world. This massive shield volcano covers half of Hawaii's Big Island and has erupted over 30 times since its first documented eruption in 1843. In 2022, Mauna Loa reminded everyone of its power, sending lava flows dangerously close to nearby communities. Heading to the mainland, we arrive at Mount St. Helens in Washington. This stratovolcano is infamous for its 1980 eruption, one of the most powerful volcanic events in recent history in the U.S. The eruption leveled forests, destroyed buildings, and killed 57 people, leaving a massive crater in its wake. Today, Mount St. Helens is closely monitored for seismic activity, with scientists watching for signs of another major eruption. Standing majestically in the Cascades is Mount Rainier, a potentially dangerous stratovolcano located near densely populated areas, including Seattle. While it hasn't erupted in over 500 years, Mount Rainier poses a significant threat due to its extensive glaciers. These could melt rapidly in the event of an eruption, triggering devastating lahars that would flow down its slopes toward populated valleys. Another volcano in the Cascade Range, Mount Hood, is Oregon's highest peak and a popular destination for outdoor enthusiasts. This stratovolcano last erupted in the 1780s, and though it's been relatively quiet since, scientists believe Mount Hood is still capable of an explosive eruption. It's closely monitored for seismic and geothermal activity, as even a small eruption could impact local communities. Next on our list is Lassen Peak, located in Northern California's Lassen Volcanic National Park. Lassen's last major eruption was in 1915, producing powerful pyroclastic flows that devastated the surrounding landscape. Today, geothermal features like boiling springs and fumaroles hint at the volcanic energy still simmering beneath the surface. Moving north to Alaska, we reach Redoubt Volcano. Redoubt last erupted in 2009, sending ash clouds 9 miles into the sky and disrupting air travel across the region. This stratovolcano sits on the Pacific Ring of Fire, a zone of high seismic and volcanic activity. With nearby oil facilities and air routes, Redoubt's eruptions pose risks beyond just lava and ash. Mount Shasta, one of California's tallest and most picturesque volcanoes, has a history of explosive eruptions and is classified as a high-threat volcano. While it hasn't erupted in centuries, Its prominent fumaroles and occasional seismic activity indicate that it's not dormant. Shasta is another Cascade Range giant that experts monitor closely.